Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I am the enigmatic Andy Mays. We're broadcasting from an undisclosed location in New England. And today we are going to be making waffle brownies. So I already did the mix, 3 eggs. It's pretty much universal for all the different types of packaging and stuff. So 3 eggs. This one made me do 1/2 cup of oil. Yeah, 1/2 cup, and then 3 tablespoons of water. The mix. Make sure you use 3 eggs for the waffle brownies. If you don't use that, they won't come out right. So you gotta make sure that you spray the iron. So I just need a second so I can spray it. So bear with me. So over here you have the finished product. Oh, so good. Great stuff. So I actually discovered this through a family member. We were looking online, and I'm horrible at making regular brownies, so I needed to find a contingency plan or something that I could actually do correctly. So I found these, and they just, it's turning out great. So I just gotta wait for the green indicator light to go on. There we go. Alright, so I would suggest using a 1/2 cup, is that 1/2? 1/2, yep, 1/2 cup measuring cup to scoop the mix. Make sure that you get it directly in the center. Make sure that you use a lot of cooking spray, otherwise it'll turn out to be an unmitigated disaster. Alright, so you just close that, and now we wait 3 minutes. So this is my first full-length video that's longer than 49 seconds. There will be others, I promise. This is also my first culinary video, so we're going to be doing a lot more cooking. Hi. So we might be doing some cake brownies and some cookie brownies and all that kind of stuff. Oh my god, that's so good. Alright, yeah, just gotta wait for that indicator light to go on. You gotta use your bare hands to drag them out, because if you don't, it just won't work. And the damn thing will fall apart. Just rotate that. Yep, there it is. So we just open that, and there it is. So we just cut along the edge here. This one is not going to be for me. So I will see you guys later. I gotta pull this off, and I can't do that. So with one hand, because it won't work. So it was nice talking to you guys. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.